Hi, welcome to Sims. Today's sum. Rahul purchased a table for 1260 rupees and due to some scratches on its top, he had to sell it for 1197. Find his loss percent. Here you find the loss percent and then clearly you know what 1260 rupees we purchased, but we sell 1197. That means you gain the loss. So you find the loss percent. Let's see the solution. Cost price is equal to 1260 and selling price is equal to 1197 rupees. So since selling price is less than the cost price, Rahul makes a loss. So loss percent. First you find the loss. So that is 1260 minus 1197. Then loss is 63 rupees. But you find the loss percent. So loss percent is equal to formula loss by cost price into 100. This is the formula. Loss percent is equal to loss by cost price into 100. So loss is 63 rupees by cost price is 1260 rupees into 100. So here 0 will be cancels. Here 2 cancels in 5 times. Here 2 cancels in 2, 6 is 12, 2 3 is 6. So here malli again we will cancel 63 in one time. So 1 into 5, 5. So 5%. He lost 5%. This is the solution. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe.